This yummy piece I call Breezy because she reminds me of a kite in the sky. It is so pretty and so elegant, and the actual medallion part hangs right about the bust line, and then those long dangles dangle below the bust line, so it has a lot of movement, a lot of swish and sway. There are Swarovski crystals all over the surface, a beautiful dichroic bead. It's a handmade dichroic bead. All kinds of texture on this one too. I just think and the chow I did in a brushed silver finish that is sculpted in polymer clay and finished in a real silver surface. So it helps keep the piece lightweight, and yeah, you hardly know you're wearing it. This is a long chain that's on it. If you prefer to have it done on a shorter chain, I can change it out. So you'll just have to let me know if that's something you're interested in. But it's one of my favorites. When I put it on, I thought, oh, I don't want to let this one go. But I can't keep them all.